Jason, a Citi trader, sits down at his 2D, 3D workstation on the trading floor. He checks his financial news, email, chat, and general news on the traditional 2D monitors flanking his workstation. He then puts on his HoloLens and activates his holographic trading tools. Jason glances up to the top band of his three-tiered holographic display space. He sees and quickly assesses a dynamic 3D visual snapshot of what's happening in the market right now. Jason sees that there is high volume and a cluster of activity in energy. He has an idea for a trade and calls his hedge fund client, AN Energy Client Incorporated.
Show me my contacts. Hey Dan, it's Jason from Citi in New York.
Hey Jason.
So I'm looking at crude. We're seeing really heavy volume and it's already down 8% on the day. Do you want to take a closer look?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, great. Let me pull it up for you.
Jason moves the collaboration icon representing Dan, his hedge fund client, to the active area of his holographic docking space, sharing with Dan select elements of his holographic workflow.
There's strong volume across energy, but crude is especially heavy. Look here.
Price tile tabs representing all of the individual futures within the energy asset class are displayed three-dimensionally in front of Jason and simultaneously viewed by Dan.
Looks promising. What's the backstory here?
Crude has been going down every day. It's looking oversold on the charts. Energy companies have started to report an increase in earnings. Equity indices are rallying, and I think crude can rally from here.
Let's take a look at the equity indices.
Show me equity indices. Replace equity with short-term interest rates. Hide interest rates.
Interesting. Let's move forward with crude.
Okay. Show me crude. We've seen a lot of volatility in the back months here. I think we should move forward with March.
Sounds good.
Select crude, March 2016. Now let's look at some different price points for entering the trade. This graph shows us current market volume of March 2016 crude trading at these different price points. We can get a lot more insight into this data if we look at how crude is traded at these price points historically.
Dan is also looking at the 3D data from a remote location where it is displayed on an immersive scale.
Interesting. It seems like the high volume at the low end of the price point is rather unusual.
That's right. We have a unique opportunity right now to jump in on the low end at 31.72.
Okay, let's buy up to 50 lots at 31.72.
Sounds good. I'll keep you posted as the trade executes.
Jason enters his trade into the custom Citi price tile interface on the Surface Pro. The holographic price tile reflects his action, and the crude March 2016 contract moves into his working orders.